Alright, my dad is a good roaster. Anyway, guys. Hello, guys. This kid, which is my best friend's brother, is getting roasted by my nana. Getting exposed.
That's a good title.
And I'm just playing some Fortnite, and she was exposing him. I'm sorry, she was exposing him. But yes, and shout out to Feline Heart, Adam on Xbox. And Adam on Xbox. See, Adam on Xbox. What's your YouTube channel name?
Kidpanther King.
Kidpanther King. The link in the description below. Make sure to smash that like button, like and subscribe for new videos. Not every day.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
Record it all.
And yeah. So that man just got exposed. Alright, so guys, this is just a short video, and I'll keep you updated, okay? So, bye!